Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for the latest on One UI 6.1. Samsung just dropped a super cool feature in the phone app that you're gonna love, especially if you're rocking a Galaxy device with this update. Before we dive in, if you're into wallpapers, I've got a gorgeous one linked in the description. I post a fresh wallpaper with every video, so check out my previous ones too if you're looking for more. Alright, let's jump into it. I'm gonna open up my phone app and tap on contacts. Here's my profile, and up top, there's a cool option to create a profile card. This is a feature you might recognize from iPhones. Galaxy users can join in on the fun. When you tap on Create Profile Card, you can choose an image from your gallery, pick a color, or snap a selfie. I'm going with one I already have. Check this out. When I call someone, this is how it'll look on their screen. Super neat, right? Samsung's really stepped up the customization options here. You can change your profile card, and there's even a portrait studio to get creative. I can turn my profile pic into a cosmic 3D cartoon, watercolor, or sketch. Let's try the cosmic look. Here we go. How cool is this? And if I switch to the 3D cartoon, wow, it's a fun way to show off your personality. There's also a sketch option that looks pretty slick too. Just a heads up, you'll need Wi-Fi or data to use these AI features. Now, if you want to tweak the effects, just swipe through to choose your vibe. You can even play around with the background, like this black and white option. It's all about making it uniquely you. Just a little tip, you can't edit the contact name directly here. You'll need to change it in your contacts first. But once you're happy, hit done. You'll see a preview that shows how your profile will appear on other devices. Now for this profile card to show up when you call someone, you need to enable sharing. Tap on the option to set your profile card to share with others, either with specific contacts or everyone who has a Samsung phone. Just make sure they refresh their contact list to see the changes. That's a wrap on how to create and share your contact profile card. Have you tried this out yet? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care and catch you in the next one.